Hello students, welcome to science class, chapter 7, weather, climate and adaptation of animals to climate. In this video I am going to explain you textbook exercise. But before that, let's revise what you have learned in this lesson. The day-to-day condition of the atmosphere at a place with respect to the temperature, humidity, rainfall, wind speed, etc. is called the weather at that place. The weather is generally not the same on any 2 days and week after week. The maximum temperature of the day occurs generally in the afternoon, while the minimum temperature occurs in the early morning. The times of sunrise and sunset also change during the year. All the changes in the weather are driven by the sun. The average weather pattern taken over a long time, say 25 years, is called the climate of the place. The tropical and the polar regions are the two regions of the earth which have served climatic conditions. Animals are adapted to the conditions in which they live. The polar regions are very cold throughout the year. The sun does not set for 6 months in a year, and in the other 6 months it does not rise. Animals in the polar region are adapted to the extremely cold climate by having some special characteristics such as white fur, strong sense of smell, a layer of fat under the skin, wide and large paws for swimming and walking, etc. Migration is another means to escape the harsh cold conditions. Because of the hospitable climatic conditions, huge populations of plants and animals are found in the tropical rainforest. Animals in the tropical rainforest are adapted such that they eat different kinds of food to overcome the competition for food and shelter. Some adaptations of animals living in the tropical rainforest include living on the trees, development of strong tails, long and large beaks, bright colors, sharp patterns, loud voice, diet of fruits, sensitive hearing, sharp eyesight, thick skin, ability to camouflage in order to protect themselves from predators, etc. So let's begin. Textbook exercise. Question number 1. Name the elements that determine the weather of a place. So as I told you, temperature, humidity, rainfall and wind are the elements that determine the weather of a place. Wind speed, wind force, wind direction, these all things. That's why I am telling just wind. So temperature, humidity, rainfall and wind are the elements that determine the weather of a place. Question number 2. When are the maximum and minimum temperatures likely to occur during the day? Maximum and minimum. Lower and upper we can say. So maximum temperature, generally you know that very hot at the afternoon time only, and minimum it means lower temperature. It's generally early in the morning, it means cold climate. So maximum temperature occurs during the daytime, afternoon to be precise, whereas minimum temperature occurs early in the morning. Now fill in the blanks. First one, the average weather taken over a long time is called dash. See, this is this sentence can ask in the form of definition, in the form of one sentence answer and in fill in the blanks also. So the average weather taken over a long time is called climate. Here can ask what is climate or definition of climate or in the form of fill in the blanks. So you should remember the average weather taken over a long time is called climate. Second, a place receives very little rainfall and the temperature is high throughout the year. The climate of that place will be dash and dash. See, receives very little rainfall. It means almost very little rainfall. It means very small amount of water. It means dry condition we can say. And temperature is high throughout the year. High, it means it is hot we can say. So the climate of this place will be hot and dry. So the two regions of the earth with extreme climatic condition are dash and dash. With extreme climatic condition it means very hot and very cold. So these types of extreme climatic condition, one is very hot and one is very cold. One is very cold in polar region and hot in tropical region. So the two regions of the earth with extreme climatic condition are polar regions and tropical region. Question number 4. Indicate the type of climate of the following areas. Here some areas are given and you have to indicate the climatic condition of that particular place. So first is Jammu and Kashmir. So which type of climate is there in Jammu and Kashmir? So here moderately hot and wet we can say. Then Kerala. Kerala you know hot and wet. Rajasthan hot and dry. Why? Because Rajasthan mostly that desert area is there. So Rajasthan hot and dry. Then Northeast India. Northeast India, here wet climate. Now question number 5. Which of the two changes frequently, weather or climate? Here two things are given, weather or climate. So among these two, which of the changes frequently? So you know that both definition weather and climate. Average weather pattern over a long time, this is climate, and weather is day to day condition, climatic condition. So which frequently change? Weather only, no? So weather changes frequently but not climate. Question number 6. Following are some of the characteristics of animals. Here some characteristics of animals are given. So for each characteristics indicate whether it is adapted for tropical rainforest or polar region. So here you have to decide. So this particular animal is adaptation for tropical rainforest or polar region, and do you think that some of these characteristics can be adapted for both region? And maybe if you think that characteristics adapted for both region, that you have to decide here. So first is diets heavy on fruits. Diets heavy on fruits. So here you know that plenty of plants are there in tropical rainforest. So it's obvious that adaptation for animal that diets heavy on fruits. So tropical rainforest. Then white fur. White fur, camouflage with the white snow. So this is polar region. So here polar region. Need to migrate. Here need to migrate because of that heavy cold. Some animals and some bird migrate to that other place. So need to migrate, that is also polar region. Now loud voice. Loud voice, that is tropical rainforest. Sticky pads on feet, that is also tropical rainforest. the layer of fat under skin, that because of that heavy cold, protect from that heavy cold. Some animals have heavy fat under their skin. Here adaptation for polar region. Wide and large paws to walk on the snow bed, that is also polar region. Bright colors, tropical rainforest. Strong tails, that is also tropical rainforest. Long and large beak, that is also tropical rainforest. Question number 7. The tropical rainforest has a large population of animals. Explain why it is so. Here that you have to explain that sentence. Why tropical rainforest has a large population of animals? Because first here temperature, it means that climatic condition. Here that hot and humid temperature, and one more thing, here name only tropical rainforest, it means here continuous rainfall also there. So here and here the temperature also hot and humid, so it suits the survival of many types of animals. That's why hot and humid temperature and continuous rainfall in the tropical rainforest suit the survival of many animals. Hence, the tropical rainforest has a large population of animals. Question number 8. Explain with examples why we find animals of certain kind living in particular climatic condition. As you have learned in lesson, so some animals are adapted in particular for particular climatic condition. It means many the features are there that some that features help animal to survive in particular place. So it is some climatic conditions are very hot, some very cold, so that animals also have some special features to protect themselves to survive in this type of condition. So that some animals are there which live in polar region. They also have some white fur because of that camouflage with the white snow and snowy background, and they have fat under their skin. Like that also some other animals like camel also there. Camel also has that hooves, and camels, because of camel live in desert, so it can survive without water for many days. So many types of some adaptations are there in animals. So animals are adapted to survive in the conditions in which they live. Animals living in very cold and hot climate must possess special features to protect themselves against the extreme cold or heat. Example, polar bears have white fur so that they are not easily visible in the snowy white background. It protects them from their predators. It also helps them in catching their prey. To protect them from extreme cold, they have two thick layers of fur. They also have layers of fat under their skin. In fact, they are so well insulated that they have to move slowly and often rest to avoid getting overheated. So similarly, in rainforest, red-eyed frog also there has developed sticky pads on its feet to help it climb trees on which it lives. So here examples are given of polar bear and red-eyed frog. So these type of animals can live in certain climatic condition. Now question number 9 is how to how do elephants living in the tropical rainforest adapt itself? How do animal adapt itself for living the tropical rainforest? So here some adaptations are there of elephant. First of all, you know that any elephant has a long trunk as a nose. It use for smell and for to carry something. Now their teeth also modified, so they can easily tear the bark of trees. Their big ears also help it to hear very slow sound, or we can say very sound which comes from far. So many adaptations are there. So how do elephants living in the tropical rainforest adapt itself? And answer is solution are the following are the adaptation of elephants in rainforest. It uses the trunk as nose to have strong sense of smell. The trunk is also used to pick food. It has modified teeth tear the bark of trees which are food for elephants. Large ears of the elephant help it to hear even very soft sounds. Ears help the elephant to keep cool in the hot and humid climate of the rainforest. Now next question, question number 10. Choose the correct option which answers the following question. First is the carnivore with strips on its body moves very fast while catching its prey. It is likely to be found in. Here 4 options are given: polar region, desert, oceans and tropical rainforest. So animal is carnivore and with strips on its body, and it can move very fast while catching its prey. Which one? Polar region, desert, oceans and tropical rainforest. So the answer is tropical rainforest, because polar region animals which live in polar region, they does not have strips on their body. See, deserts also same and oceans also same. So here only tropical rainforest. So answer is tropical rainforest. Now question number 11. Which features adapt polar bear to live in extremely cold climate? Which features adapt polar bears to live in extremely cold climate? So here also some options are given. First is a white fur, fat below skin, keen sense of smell. Second option is thin skin, large eyes, a white fur. Third option is a long tail, strong claws, white large paws. And fourth option, white body, paws for swimming, gills for respiration. See, now you can easily guess answer. Animals living in polar region, it means it should have white fur to camouflage with the background. Then fat also have because of protect themselves from the extreme cold and sense of smell. So which option is correct? First one, a white fur, a fat below skin, keen sense of smell. Question number 12. Which option best describes a tropical region? Tropical region. First is hot and humid, moderate temperature, heavy rainfall. Third is cold and humid. And fourth option is hot and dry. Here tropical region is there. That's why which is the correct answer? Your guess is correct. Hot and humid. Correct option is hot and humid. So students, here our textbook exercise is over. Hopefully after that I will send you a PDF of this lesson. From this you can write textbook exercise of this lesson in your CW. We'll meet you soon. Thank you.